Hello everyone, I am Sonali. In this video, we will see how to change themes in SurveyHeart forms. How to create a form I have already explained in previous video. Please watch my previous video. So first we will see SurveyHeart. Click on the quizzes. See, these are the quizzes previously created. So you can change the themes of previously created quizzes, or you can create a new quiz and you can change it. So I am using my previous quiz, this quiz, so you can change it. So just click, and if you want to change the themes, then you can change it. Okay, so click on edit to change the themes. Click on edit. If you want to change the themes, then click on settings, click on change themes, and here is a new themes. If you want to create, you can create the my themes, new themes, or you can use the default themes. See, now currently I had selected this. So if you want to change, you can select this dark mode and just see, quiz will look like this. This is your first page. Click on start. So this will be the enter your details. So this is my details. Suppose here write the email address. Suppose this is my email address. Then write the contact number here. This is contact number, suppose, and then click on start quiz. See, this is your dark mode with here timer. I will explain in next video how to add a timer for your test. So see, at the top of this page here is a timer and then the quiz, and click on the submit to submit this. Okay, this is one mode. Or if you want to change, again click on edit, click on edit this, and you can change this by using the settings, change theme. And if you want to change it into the education, relationship, or agreement, or interview, or analytics, just select this. Okay, this type of a theme. Now again you can change it. These are the different themes available: business plan, then green, then sign up, then work. See, these are the different themes available here. You can choose the anyone. Just click on the mobile to set this theme, or again you can change it into other change themes. See, here is a different options for you, and this is an important feature of SurveyHeart, providing the different themes for you. Technology, what, web, you can select the anything. Okay, here communication is the next one. Depending on your topic, you can select this. If you are creating the surveys or online forms for the different satisfaction survey or abstract or anything, you can select as per your requirement. See, many more options are available here. This hexagonal, hall, marketing. As per your requirement, you can select the anyone from these. If you are nowadays all are creating the forms for the admission, so at that time you can select the admission form, or you can select this different thing. As per your requirement, you can create it. Suppose you want to create it for the meeting or for the other things discussion, you can select this discussion theme and just see preview like this. So in this way you can create the new themes, or you can use the default one, or you can create your customized theme. Just click on this plus and you can select the image that you want for your form as a theme. So just select the themes from this gallery or photos or from other location. Thank you.